Quantifiers, they're the unsung heroes of the English language, adding nuance and detail. Let's delve into their world. First, many, used for countable items. Many books fill the library. Next, a few. This implies a small number, but more than two. A few apples fell from the tree, then a lot. A generic quantifier, meaning a large quantity. A lot of time has passed. Some is interesting. It's used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Some people love to read, or I need some water. Finally, any, often used in questions or negatives. Do you have any questions? Or I don't have any bread. Remember, quantifiers add depth to your sentences. Use them wisely.